Well, hello everybody. Beth has been making videos of the nursery and the plants and the flower of the day and all those things, and I thought, well, I'll start doing some videos of the workout here that she's helping with too, but I'm out here today. This is the first building we've started to work on, the first outbuilding. We're calling it Building 4 since it's actually the fourth one from the house. This is the one that's going to become the workshop for the main, mostly. And we've already cleared out. This was what they had their chicken coops in. And all of this was about 8 or 10 inches of wood chips and I'm saying chicken poop and who knows what else, but we cleared most of it out, and still got a little bit more left to take out. But the building is one of these Atlas or general store, whatever they're called, aluminum metal buildings, stainless steel buildings. It's at least 4 years old. I'm thinking it's about 8 or 10 years old actually, based on the pictures I've seen of it. But it's beautiful. It's structurally sound. There's not a speck of rust anywhere. There's no leaks. The walls are a little iffy, basically just plain plywood that they put on, and and you can see it's pretty water rotted. But we're going to replace that. These walls, these kind of lean-to walls they put up, but we'll replace all those. But the ceiling, the structure is perfect. I mean, it looks like there were two of them that they put together here. It's about 40 feet long, 18 feet wide. And over here is where we started building the platform for the workshop. And the hope is that all this will dry out. We'll put some walls up. We'll put some exhaust fence in here because it does get kind of hot. And some exhaust fence up there, over there. And maybe a back door once we get some of this overgrowth cleaned out. It's kind of clear around the sides, but and we still have the chickens coming home to roost every night, so we're gonna have to deal with them at some point. But in the meantime, they just kind of come in here and chill out. That's some of the stuff we pulled out of here. There were layers and layers of plastic carpet, and then the wood chips, and then more plastic, and wood chips, and plastic, and I don't know. And got this whole area back here that we've got to clear out at some point, but that's in the future. This is another building that's got wood shavings. I don't know what this was for. Those barrels are empty. Don't know what was in there. And there are bags and bags of that shavings over there, so... But this is pretty clean and clear and dry, actually, oddly enough. And this building is pretty sound too. The roof doesn't leak. It's just a metal roof, but it seems to be holding up. Today I've been weed eating around here to get all this stuff out. When I get down here, you'll see what all of that looked like. That all looked like that. Yeah. So our little electric weed eater over here is having a tough time doing it, but it's coming along. And I'm working on this one now. This is the one we call the rat shack right now. This is building 1, but this is where we saw the rats inside there. So occasionally there's one run. We'll see one run along here, but I think it's safe because it's daytime. But yeah, so I'll be clearing this out, and that's where we saw them. I can't see in there because of the sun, so. But here's the pump shack, pump house, which we're going to have to weed eat all this stuff and get in there and see what's in there. And then, I don't know what's back there. Calling that the Velociraptor den, because we can't really see what's in there. There's some kind of tent structure there. There's, this is where they had some corn. That we think was a dog run over here. A little dog house and then a big fenced in area. So we're going to have to get in there at some point. But again, that's future stuff. It's down the road and we don't really need this part of the property right now. And that's about it for now. The front yard, don't really need to do much with the mowed at some point, but for now, that's future stuff. Right now, we're working on this and clearing out all of this stuff, just so we can get it cleaned up so that we don't have, rats and snakes and all that kind of whatnot out here. But anyway, just wanted to give a little update and show the progress that we're doing, and hopefully one day this will all be nice and clean. All right, thank you guys. We'll see you at the next market, and have a good weekend and stay safe out there. Wear your masks. All right, bye-bye.